practice. Okay, are we ready to flip it up? Back up? Or do we want to put in the bottom?
Next. No, we've got to put the slide.
Popper thing.
Yeah, the slide latch. Once you get it down there tight, it has two detents that stop it from turning. We're going to tap it with the hammer to drive the detents into the wood to stop it from turning.
Okay.
You got it down pretty tight?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There you go. Give it a little tappy tap. One on each side to drive the detents in. All right, now see if you can tighten it. Did it work?
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to turn on you now?
Nope.
Not loose?
Nope.
Okay. Well, you're ready to set it in place.
So
Slide it in there. Now grab your striker. Just get it perfectly flush with the front. And put your striker in there.
Oh, I need these. I don't need these. Where did the striker go? Oh, it's right here.
Or the latch, I guess. Yeah. Well, look at that. There's enough room for it.
So is
Who'd
it
have
like,
thought?
is it going to go to the back of this, or does it need to come up here?
No, you want it closed. There you go.
Right there?
Yep. And with this exactly flush here. That's okay. You're close enough.
Okay. Do I need to pre-drill holes?
See the slotted holes?
Yeah.
Go and pre-drill in the middle of the slotted holes with your...
With that? Isn't the drill bit too big?
Huh?
Isn't the bit too big?
Well, very straight.
How deep do I go?
You got 7/8 of an inch, so... You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
So I can go ahead and put my first screw in though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
One second.
Flush over here on the front step.
Oh gosh. Thought I dropped it again. I was about to be. I'm gonna find a random screw in this in like 2 years.
Yeah, it'll fall out today.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I guess it's laying down on the...
Yeah. Let's see what happens after we turn it over. Okay, so I guess what we're ready to do is put the bottom on.
Okie doke.
Okay, well let's attach the bottom. It's the last major component to attach. So shelf should stay in place when I'm gonna put my thumb there to stop it from coming out. And we're gonna go this way. Roll it. It's getting heavier, isn't it?
Well, we just put the top on, so I hope
Duh.
so.
Top is heavier than two sides put together, okay? Hey.
We have the cabinet.
Huh. Le cabinette, the bottom,
La bottom.
slides in from the back.
Like this, right?
That's the way I'd do it if I were you.
Did I do that?
And did it fit?
Did I do it right? Is that correct, Dan?
I think so. I think we want to minimize the number that we put in the front. Okay?
So we don't see
Good.
them.
Well, it's got a lip underneath it, but one here in the middle, stop it from rattling, and then put like 5 down the side, on each side.
It's
What do you
it's barely hanging on. That's the only thing. On this lip.
I know, that's why you're gonna have to angle your nails, you're gonna have to be careful with that. Let me get you some light in there where you can see, and unfortunately, we got the top on it, so we can't go down from the top.
Hey, at least we have a like at least there's a top on it. Ooh.
Okay. I guess I can hold it.
So, do you want me to go on an angle like this?
It's best if you can turn the gun sideways and get your angle like that. Okay?
So like this. Oop.
Yeah. Make sure you're about a 1/4 inch away.
So like right about there.
Yeah.
And then like that.
Yeah. So you got a little bit. Oops.
I missed.
You missed the wood. Okay.
So I need to come closer this way a little bit.
Huh? Yeah, you need to come closer to the edge. You're gonna have to be fairly close to this edge. Don't do it in that split. Move to the other side of the split.
Maybe like here.
Well, yeah. I don't think you're gonna end up going in the same place. That one barely caught the wood. Here's the deal. Let me show you something. Because, see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
It's got an offset from there to there of a 1/4 inch. So when you backed up a 1/4 inch, you went to 0. Because the striker's off a 1/4. So if you set it right here, and you angle it like this,
It's gonna go right where you want it.
yeah. Except we're chewing up a lot of wood, so we ain't gonna mess with that. You got a good nail in there. When it's done, anything that misses will get underneath. Now, what I was saying earlier about this is, see here? Now you can go straight 45.
Okay.
And so I'll get this in there. There you go.
Okay.
So go ahead. Go ahead and nail it. Dancing with your hose.
Mm-hmm. I split it.
Yeah, that's going to be the problem. I'll tell you what, we may not attach the sides.
Since there's not enough gap.
Yeah,
Or
it's
there's not
just
enough
going to
lip
split
on it.
out. So let's, I'll pull that nail out of there and we'll attach it well along the back, okay?
Okay.
We'll attach it along the back.
Do we want to put like
And-
one here and one here then?
I'm thinking maybe over here in the corner
Where it's closer?
where, yeah, where it doesn't show too bad around the,
Do you want me to
edge.
put one in there?
Yeah, do you think you can do that?
Like there?
Yeah. Did that get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Feel underneath. Did it go in the wood? All wood? Okay.
Do you want me to put one in the other corner?
Yep. Here. Let there be light.
Yeah.
Yeah, might need to take our little center punch and hit that a little.
But
Okay.
nothing that we can't fix. So.
Okay. So we'll pull them nails out, flip it over, and I think that'll be all we need to do on the bottom. Why don't you go ahead and put your grommet in while you're here?
Grommet.
Wire grommet. Okay?
Let me go get it.
So set the opening to the grommet to the back,
Oh, okay.
and then go ahead and install it.
Perfect.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's nail the back on. Or the bottom to the back.
Okie doke.
Alright. Alright, and nail that base on there.
How far?
In, you got a 3/4 inch board that you're gonna hit. So I'd go 3/8. Turn your gun long ways. That way you can see where the center of it is.
So.
Yeah.
Like that.
I'd work my way the other way. That way your gun won't be hitting on anything. Then turn your gun the other direction.
For this one?
No, keep going. Then turn your gun the other direction and work back. See that? See how your line of vision is improved? I think that's nailed in. You want to screw the box on there now? Electric box?
Yeah.
All right. You want the, yeah. When you put it in there, you're going to want to have the, yeah, like that, with the USBs at the bottom. So because the USBs have to come back through here. Okay? So that's fit in there? Almost like somebody chiseled it out to fit? Succotash. Do the other one. And you can go ahead and bury that thing if you want. Alright, and go ahead and bury it in the top one.
And is that, do we have to drill it after that?
I don't know. I think this is soft enough wood. Those little screws you
yeah,
got.
I was gonna say the screws.
Screws and beeswax. Duh, what does the guy need?
Beeswax. Oh, beeswax. A wee bit much. It's okay. After this, it's just the shelf, isn't it?
Let's put in the. No, we still got to install the charger.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now that's it.
All right. So got the cords.
Cord management.
All right. Go ahead and put that shelf in there and see if it fits.
Beautifully.
Push it all the way to the back. Okay. All right. So go ahead and close her up. right there. Kind of light. There you go. Okay, bud. Sign off on it.
Oh. There's the 19th.
Okay, bud.
All done.
Done. You know, I never thought 17 years ago when I started making the bed and the chest for Kaden that it would be him and I together building the nightstand. But here it is. We got it finished. I'm very proud of him and how far along he's come, and I enjoyed this project immensely. I hope you too enjoyed seeing the way that we put it together, and I appreciate all of your support, and I hope you have nothing less than a wonderful day.